So good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about Declan Rice and a lot of stories doing the rounds about Deckers and how much the money's going to be. Now they want a player involved. Maybe they don't. Doesn't matter though. Doesn't matter because let's not forget he gave his word to Arteta. That's what they were all saying. He gave his word. So, all of these stories, they're just side missions from journalists with agendas, surely. That's it, right? That's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks very much. Goodbye. Before we get into ripping these stories apart, or ripping the previous stories apart, or maybe both, do smash the like button up. Make sure you sub to the channel. We're very, very close to 80,000 subscribers, which would be fantastic. So thank you very much. Do appreciate it. Make sure you do sub to the second channel. That would be great. Lee Reacts. I did a video on there earlier. Before the Milan derby, which has finished by the time you watch this video. I'm recording this at like 4 p.m. my time. So yeah, if you want to go and check out my thoughts on that and my prediction for that game, go and hit the video and check it out. But all over the internet, Declan Rice will be allowed to leave. Up to 120 million they want for him, but he's only allowed to leave to a Champions League club. Yeah, okay, mate. The Hammers would also accept 100 million plus a player. Oh, goody. Arsenal is the most likely destination at the moment for Rice, with Chelsea, Man U and Liverpool all interested. Okay. Good one. Let's continue. Rice has 1 year left on his contract in the summer, but West Ham have an option of extending it by another year. He rejected an offer of 200 grand a week just 18 months ago. West Ham will only sell if the money is right, and all proceeds from any potential sale would go towards strengthening the squad in the summer. Okay, mate. Out of respect for Rice and recognition of his performances during 6 seasons in the first team, West Ham have promised they will not stand in his way and his dream of playing in the Champions League. Rice is believed to be earning about 70 grand a week and would be expected to earn at least 3 times that if he moves this summer. West Ham value Rice so highly because they believe he is one of the best midfielders in the world and has an excellent injury record and is only 24. Neville and Keane. Rice is not worth 120. Speaking in March, Pundit Gary Neville believes Rice is worth only half of the 120 million that West Ham are holding out for. I love Declan Rice, Neville said. Obviously, Declan knows his position, but when I look at the world-class holding midfielders and the players of that type, because he doesn't score or assist enough goals, you're not putting him into that category. He's more of a destroyer. Then you've got to be someone who I think is highly competent on the ball and link play and having the knowledge of getting the ball from the back four. Personally, I feel at this moment in time, Declan needs to work on that in a different setup. He needs to drive forward in his career. He needs to go and play for a different club. I think there's going to be a lot of growth for Declan, but to get up to the levels of Casemiro and Rodri, he needs to play at a top team. But for me, I wouldn't be spending 110 or 120 million on Rice if I was Manchester United this summer. I'd spend 50 or 60 on Declan Rice, but I wouldn't spend figures being reported. Okay, mate. Well, let me tell you something. You're not spending the money because it ain't your money, mate. And that's how I look at it. Yeah, it ain't my money. Ain't my money. Apparently, Man United submitted a £100 million bid last summer. Apparently, that's a story that's come out now. But listen, at the end of the day, if Declan Rice is being allowed to leave, buy him. That's it. Put enough money on the table to get into Arsenal. That's it. Ain't my money. I don't know why people sit there and cry about it. Yes, he's not worth 120 million. How many players are? Genuinely, how many players are worth 120 million? Probably not many. Probably not many. It's not like he's a poster boy. It's not like he's going to bring in loads of sponsorship deals. He's not an Mbappe and a Haaland or Vinny. He's not in that category. He's not a Messi, Ronaldo. So how many players are genuinely worth the money? Plus, you're going to have to pay him top dollar as well in wages. Let's say 200 grand a week for 5 years. There's another 50. That's now 170 we've paid for Declan Rice. That's a lot of money. But guess what? It ain't mine, so I don't care. I just want to see the best players in my football club. And if he's available, which he is, because everyone has a price, go and buy him. Yeah, but I'm telling you now, we're not signing Declan Rice. I will be absolutely shocked and amazed if we signed Declan Rice this summer. Yeah, but let's not forget, he did give his word. Yeah, he gave his word to Arteta. In fact, let me find that article. Yeah, smash the like button. Let me find it. Ah, dear, oh dear, oh dear. Here we go, yes. Real Madrid ruled out Declan Rice move after the midfielder has given his word to join Mikel Arteta. That was the Daily Mail. Football 365 said it. Sport Bible will put it everywhere. Who else is there? All Football, AS.com. There's loads of them. Literally loads of them. Just type in Declan Rice gives his word. It'll come up with every single article. Every single article. Yeah, it comes up with all of them. Yeah, that was back in January. So Declan Rice gives his word on summer move to Arsenal. Okay, cool. That was on what, the 25th of January? Yeah, 25th of January. So was that just more PR? Was that just more PR because we didn't do what was required in January and Caicedo stayed? Is that what it was? Is that it? Yeah, because apparently he's ruled out Pep. Yeah, because he's given his word. He's ruled out Real Madrid because he's given his word. Cool. Now the price has gone from 75 million to 120. How's that work? It's almost like all of these puppets just make it up. Isn't it? It's almost like they're just sitting and go, oh, wow, what we'll do is the club have asked us to spin a yarn down this way. So what we'll do is because they've not signed Caicedo, we'll make out they can get Declan Rice for 75 million because he's only going to have 1 year left on his contract. Yeah, and what we'll do is we'll say he's given his word. And then what we'll do carefully over time is we'll spin it. And nobody remembered that from 5-6 months ago. Well, I do, because I did a video on it. Cheers. I'm going to smoke the puppet pack. The puppet pack. Yeah, it's insane. The amount of rubbish I see in these stories is a joke. Declan Rice is not going to go for 120 million either, by the way. No way is anybody going to be stupid enough to pay 120 million for him. Me personally, just pay it. Just say, yeah, cool, let's get the deal done now with a pre-contract agreement for the 30th of June when he's out of into the last year of the contract and the transfer window will be open. Do it for them because then that'll be a start of a new contract at Arsenal. Boom, new contract, off you go, mate. Yeah, just do it, get it done, pay the money. Yeah, and listen, I'd like to think that Arsenal are doing the deal for Declan Rice, but I know this football club and I know how these puppet journalists work. We are not signing Declan Rice. Did you notice how the teams are listed? Yeah, that he's linked to Chelsea, Man United, and Liverpool. Notice Man City weren't on the list. That's where he's ending up. Why is Man City not on the list? Makes no sense. Why would Man City not be on the list? I don't get it. They're going to need midfielders more than most teams because Gundogan's probably going to leave. Bernardo's probably going to leave. They might let Mahrez leave. Do you know what I'm saying? Calvin Phillips might be leaving. I think he's going Man City. Yeah, they could need 3 or 4 midfielders in the summer. Yeah, and I think there could be a deal there where Calvin Phillips goes to West Ham, Declan Rice goes the opposite way, and then a bit of cash on top. You have Calvin Phillips, and we'll give you 30 mil, or 40 mil, or 50, whatever it may be. They get rid of a player that barely plays for them. They get a better player in, which strengthens their squad even more, and they just pay out 50 mil or 40 mil, whatever it is. So they've swapped, plus they've paid 40 mil. So basically, they're getting a massive upgrade for 40 mil. Yeah, it makes no sense for them not to do that. It's the most straightforward thing in the world. Man City, if Pep wants him, he's getting him. Let's be real. Meanwhile, we'll be pissing around going after Douglas Luiz and Zubamendi and players like that. But apparently we can attract the best players. Well, let's see now, because we're in the Champions League now, and apparently you can attract the world-class players and up-and-coming superstars because they all want Champions League. He's already come out and said he wants Champions League, but then he's rejected Real Madrid and Man City, apparently, back in January. So why would you want to go and play for Arsenal, who have never competed for the Champions League, apart from once, maybe twice, we've got to a semi as well. In all the time we've been in it, 20 odd times, we've actually had to go twice. Yet Man City have arrived in how many semi-finals now? Real Madrid win it pretty much every year. Why would you reject them clubs? Because it is all PR and spin. David Ornstein culpable for a lot of this, by the way. Yeah, Charlie Boy Watts is invested in this. Yeah, they're all invested in it. Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's the club narrative. It is ridiculous. We are not signing Declan Rice. if we sign Declan Rice, I'll go and buy a shirt with Declan Rice's name and number on the back. Yeah, and I'll wear it back to front on every watch along. We ain't signing him. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love to know your thoughts and feelings on that. But listen, he's given his word, so I fully expect him to be coming. Otherwise, he's a liar, right? Or the journalist lying. You decide. Leave it in the comment section. All have a blessed day or evening, as it is now when you're watching this video. And I'll be back again tomorrow with Saeed at 1 p.m. UK time, live stream. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Make sure you sub to the second channel. Make sure you sub to this channel as well. Very, very close to 80K. So, yeah, make sure you sub to this channel. Let's get that boxed off as quick as possible. And, yeah, man, Declan Rice, is he coming or not? You decide.